Imagine a world where your smartphone is more than just a device. Welcome to the future of phones in 2024. In this year, we're expecting a lineup of smartphones that will redefine the boundaries of technology, from brands you know and love like Realme, Vivo, and others. These anticipated phones of 2024 are shaping up to be an exciting blend of innovation and functionality, promising to offer more than just a means of communication. Starting with Realme, known for its commitment to delivering cutting-edge technology at a pocket-friendly price. We can anticipate devices that take a leap forward in terms of performance and design, with powerful processors and displays that are sharper and more vibrant than ever before. Realme's tradition of superior battery life is also expected to continue, promising users an all-day experience without the need to constantly reach for a charger. Next, let's talk about Vivo. This brand has been making waves with its innovative designs and features. In 2024, we're looking forward to seeing what Vivo will bring to the table. Rumors suggest a focus on camera technology, with advanced sensors and software that could bring professional-grade photography to your pocket. Additionally, Vivo's trend of creating sleek and stylish phones is anticipated to continue, making these devices as much a fashion statement as a piece of technology. But it doesn't stop there. The upcoming year is slated to see releases from other giants of the smartphone industry. Whether it's Samsung's improvements to their already impressive foldables, Apple's continued refinement of their iconic iPhones, or Google's strides in AI and machine learning with their Pixel line, there's something for everyone. Each of these brands is expected to push the envelope in their own way, from improving on existing features to introducing entirely new ones. We're talking about features like faster wireless charging, improved water and dust resistance, and possibly even solar charging capabilities. With such innovative features on the horizon, 2024 promises to be a thrilling year for smartphone enthusiasts. Expect the unexpected as these companies strive to not just meet but exceed our expectations. So, buckle up for a wild ride into the future of smartphones. Now that we've whetted your appetite with a glimpse of what's to come, let's delve into the details. Each upcoming phone from Realme, Vivo, and others is set to enthrall us with its unique blend of features and specifications. Let's start with battery life. With our increasing reliance on smartphones, the need for long-lasting batteries has never been more pronounced. In this department, the future looks bright. These upcoming models are equipped with batteries that promise not just extended usage, but also shorter charging times. The dawn of a new era in battery technology is upon us. Next, let's talk about camera quality. It's no secret that smartphones have revolutionized photography. In the upcoming models, we can expect even higher resolution cameras, enhanced low-light performance, and innovative features like advanced AI image processing. The future of smartphone photography is looking sharper and more vibrant than ever. Moving on to processor speed. The heart of any smartphone is its processor, and these upcoming models are set to impress. With next-generation chipsets, these phones promise lightning-fast performance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. The future of mobile computing power is right at our fingertips. And let's not forget about the display. From higher resolution screens to smoother refresh rates, these upcoming smartphones are set to deliver immersive viewing experiences like never before. Whether you're a cinephile or a gamer, these displays are bound to captivate. Lastly, we'll touch upon the design. Sleek, elegant, and robust, these upcoming models are not just about performance, but also about making a style statement. From glass backs to metal frames, from slim profiles to bold colors, these phones are designed to turn heads. In essence, these new models are all about pushing the envelope. They bring together the best of technology, design, and innovation to redefine our smartphone experience. It's clear that these new models are pushing the boundaries of what we expect from our handheld devices. Each of these upcoming models has its unique selling points. Let's break it down. Starting with the Realme, this phone is set to redefine speed with its cutting-edge processing power. It's perfect for those who can't afford a moment's delay. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling through your feeds. Match that with an impressive battery life, and you've got yourself a phone that keeps up with your pace. Next, we have Vivo. This phone is a multimedia powerhouse. Its display offers vibrant colors and sharp details that make visuals pop right off the screen. Paired with a high-quality audio system, it's the ideal choice for movie buffs and music lovers. Vivo is also making strides in AI technology, promising a more personalized and intuitive user experience. Moving on to Samsung, it's all about the camera. With advanced features like super resolution zoom and night hyperlapse, photography enthusiasts are in for a treat. Samsung is also stepping up its game with an under-display front camera, allowing for a truly immersive all-screen experience. Then there's the iPhone. Apple's commitment to privacy and security is unparalleled, making it a top choice for those who prioritize safety. The iPhone is also known for its seamless integration with other Apple devices, making it a must-have for anyone already in the Apple ecosystem. Next in line is the Oneplus. This phone is a multitasking pro boasting a high refresh rate and ample RAM for smooth app transitions. It also features a robust build quality, ensuring it can withstand the pressures of everyday use. Lastly, we have the Xiaomi. Known for its innovative designs, Xiaomi is set to unveil a phone with a wraparound display. This phone is all about pushing the boundaries and offering something different. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a gamer, or a multitasking pro, there's something for everyone in the 2024 lineup. As we look forward to the future of smartphones, there's plenty to be excited about. The year 2024 is shaping up to be a pivotal one, with Realme, Vivo, and others gearing up to launch their much-anticipated phones. With these upcoming releases, we're expecting to see a significant leap in technology. Each brand is bringing something unique to the table, from groundbreaking camera advancements to mind-blowing processing power and innovative design aesthetics. It's clear that these brands have made a concerted effort to push the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed so far. The Realme smartphone, with its state-of-the-art display and impressive battery life, is a promising contender. Meanwhile, Vivo is aiming to captivate users with an advanced camera system and speedy performance. And let's not forget about the other brands that are also poised to make their mark with equally impressive features and specifications. These launches could have a profound impact on the smartphone market. The intense competition could potentially drive down prices, making these advanced devices more accessible to a wider range of consumers. Additionally, these cutting-edge technologies could set new standards for what consumers expect from their phones. But it's not just about the hardware. The software and user experience are equally important. We're anticipating intuitive interfaces, smooth performance, and perhaps some unexpected features that could redefine our interaction with smartphones. At the end of the day, it's the consumers who stand to benefit most from this smartphone revolution. The power to choose from a range of high-quality devices, each with its own unique selling points, is truly exciting. As the curtain falls on our discussion, we can't help but feel a sense of anticipation. What new horizons will these devices open up? How will they change the way we communicate, work, and entertain ourselves? Only time will tell. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to these exciting launches. Until then, keep dreaming about the future of phones in 2024. We've covered a lot today, but we want to hear from you. Are you excited about the next generation of smartphones we've discussed today? Perhaps you're eagerly anticipating the Realme's upgraded camera features, or maybe it's Vivo's promise of a high-speed processor that's got your attention. Either way, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Imagine, for a moment, the first time you unlock that new phone. The cool touch of the screen, the bright, vibrant display, the smooth transition as you swipe through apps. Which of the features we've discussed today do you think will make that experience even more incredible? Maybe you're a photography enthusiast, always on the lookout for that perfect shot. Do you think the improved camera features of these upcoming phones will give you an edge? Or perhaps you're a gamer and it's the high-speed processors and enhanced graphics that have you on the edge of your seat. Are you excited about the prospect of a longer battery life? Imagine not having to worry about your phone dying halfway through the day. Or maybe it's the promise of a more robust and user-friendly operating system that's piqued your interest. No matter what has caught your eye, we want to hear about it. What are your expectations for these upcoming phones? Which features are you most excited about? And most importantly, which phone are you most looking forward to getting your hands on? Remember, this community thrives on your input. Your thoughts, opinions, and expectations help us all gain a better understanding of what's to come in the world of smartphones. So go ahead, drop a comment below. Share your thoughts, your hopes, and your excitement. Let's continue the conversation and keep the anticipation building. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of smartphones. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates.